Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to disable in-app sounds and vibrations on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this account button or profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button in the upper right corner and then click on the notifications and sounds button. Scroll down to the bottom and here you can find this in-app preferences section. So here, as you can see, the first option is in-app sounds that you can easily enable or disable by tapping on the button on the right side next to it, and you have the chance to disable the in-app vibrate feature as well by tapping on the button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.